Maribel and so cute. Early moved into turkey. Glimmer. Echo. Look at it. You're so adorable. Remember those little turkey eggs? They hatched. This one just hatched today, and this one hatched a few days ago. And the other ones all pipped and didn't end up coming out, so I'm sad to say that I don't think they'll hatch, but at least we got 2 babies out of Red and Pinky. Ended up going to the feed store and buying some silky chicks because this one was alone for a few days, so she needed some friends. Look at this tiny little turkey. This is exactly what Red looked like when I first got him, just a couple of days old. In a year or 2, we can look back on this video and be like, "Aw, such a little babe." That was a shaving. Thumbnail. Look who's all together in the pouch. We got Sassy Sasha, Maribel and Lavana, who you can't see because they hide in the depths of the pouch. We're sisters. Are they kissing? They're kissing.
They were roommates.
Look at a little face.
You can't see us, but hi. Oh, hello.
Oh, by the way, this is very exciting. Ignore the mess, but hi. Oh, hi. She's still adjusting. Yeah. I got my porch screened in. Isn't it adorable? So now I can put the cats out here. Hello. Ooh. Oh, what do you think about it? Oh. Yeah, I got my cute chair here and I can chill out with the cats and they can't escape and they'll be safe and they can't hurt any animals outside and they themselves can't get hurt because they're on the porch. And I don't know if I showed you yet, but Allure got a pink tail and Boy got a blue tail. So pretty. All right, Glimmer's crying. Oh, you poor Glimmer. Poor baby Glimmer. Come on out. Oh, just a second. Here. Oh my God. You can't do that. Red, are you observing the situation? Good Glimmer, drink your milk. Glimmer is already on just 1 bottle a day. She's getting pretty big. As you can see, she's a big girl now. And pretty soon she'll be weaned and she'll be moved in to the deer pen. Oh my goodness. Geese police, what are you guys doing over there? Hi, Fraulein. Oh, careful now. Milky. Hey, Fraulein, that is not a treat dispenser. Do you want some milky, buddy? Good. Oh. Almost fine. I wasn't talking to you. I think you got it all. You did it. Oh, Glimmer, that's so nasty. There he goes. Did I show you guys these yet? Baby, go! Look at him. Little tiny baby. Where's the other one? Oh, that's a contract. Here's another one. This one's real cute and it's a girl. Oh, it's toasty out here. Speed's fun, dear. A boop, pretty boop. Thank you for the boops. Oh yeah, here they are. And that's Red. Very important. That is Red. And there's a random goat. We're in the building now, cooling off a little bit because it is absolutely insanely hot outside. And this little snake wants to eat you guys for dinner. That was a close one. Would you like to eat the camera as well? It's not very smart snake of you. Oh, so cute. So cute. Look at that face. Hi, Sprinkles. You did a shed. Good job, Sprinkles. Wakey, wakey, buddy. Hi. I know a lot of you guys love Enzo, which makes me very excited to tell you about Enzo's plushies. Enzo is being made into a plushie because of his beautiful smiling face. And pre-order one before the time's up. Once they are gone, they will never be made again. Are you going to look up here? That's alright. Then, of course, his psychotic, poopy girlfriend, Echo. Here she comes. It's camera eating time. Say hi to Red.
I will not.
What? Just don't judge the mess, guys, because we had basically a tornado blow through and it destroyed a lot of my stuff and it's a mess. It also did this. So I'm gonna have to get a lot of help fixing this stuff. How is it on a scale of 1 to 10, Glimmers?
Like when those tubes flip and all the sand goes down.
What's wrong, little buddy? Go to babies. It's very exciting.
Alright, Fowl. The new sheriff in chat.
Get on, good night.
Oh!
Shimmer, shimmer!
What are you saying?
Shimmer, shimmer, cocoa bomb! You don't get now, you hear?
Kermit Frog here, get the f*** out.
Yeah!
Where are you, Glimmer? Where are buddy? Oh, there you are. What you doing? Oh my gosh, everyone follows me when I have the scoop. What's up, buddy? Okay. Look, it's Franklin. What? Franklin's here. And he's looking for food. Hey, time. Huh. Woo! Oh, sorry, babies. They didn't like that. Hey, buddy. Why are you always right behind me? Hi, Roger. Where's Amara? Hi, Amara. Just big chillin' today, honey. Excuse me. Okay. It was really hot out there. Boop you. Oh, don't steal his boop. All right. Time to take this angry little critter and let her go somewhere safe. Calm down. No. Chill. Gosh.
Hi guys.
As you can hear, we have an angry snake to release today. Her anger is justified, don't get me wrong. So if you don't watch me on TikTok, you may not know about this girl. She is a very feisty bull snake that I actually found here on my property, and she has quite a story. I found her in my feed barn, and while she was in there, she tried to snack on some of my baby chickens that I had temporarily moved into the barn. Okay, now you're just being extra. Like, come on. But that's not what made her story so special. She actually had a huge cut on her side. It was like a giant gash that I'm assuming she got while trying to get into my feed barn or crawling around in the feed barn. But anyways, I've kept her for a few weeks now, and it healed up nicely after some quarantine and treatment, and she's ready to be released now. I also had to wait for her to shed. Can you shush? You're so loud. Bull snakes are non-venomous, and they're known for making a very loud, huffy sound. She wants to appear very scary and loud, so I will leave her alone, which it's almost time, and I'm finally gonna leave you alone forever. Unless, of course, you find your way back to my farm again.
And for those of you who may ask, why are you releasing her so close to your house and to your chickens? Well, I don't have baby chickens anymore, so that's not really an issue. My big chickens can defend themselves against a snake, even one as sizable as her.
Red, I'm talking right now, buddy.
Red wants to say something too. And it is my responsibility to make sure my enclosures and my animal pens are predator proof so the snake can't get in and hurt my chickens. But thankfully all my birds are pretty sizable, but a lot of people think snakes can eat birds that are way bigger than they are, which is not true. She may steal some eggs every now and then, but that I'm okay with. It's a small price to pay for free rodent control.
So, here we are with this beautiful girl, and it's time to finally let her go. And I decided I'm gonna... Red! What are you saying over there? I'm gonna let her go under this barn here because I have seen her here before, and I'm of course waiting until the sun is setting because during the heat of the day it would be pretty hard for her to readjust. So it looks like the general consensus is to name her Toot or Tootsie. I'm gonna call her Tootsie though. That was fast. She's gone. Well, now that I'm inside, I'm gonna take some time and water my plants. Look how sad this poor pothos is. He's sagging. He needs some love.
Oh, wrong way. There I am. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for the next one. I'm gonna be going to Florida very soon, so I'll have lots of Florida content for you guys. Looking for reptiles, going to Animal Con, which is a really awesome event that I'm super proud and excited to be a part of.
Hey guys, today we're feeding gators.
We have our first panel.
Better than flamingos. It's Moldorama.
Hopefully I'll meet some of you guys there maybe. Then after that I'm gonna go to the NARBC Arlington Reptile Show, which is also gonna be super fun. And I'll have a lot of gecko gachapons with me, and hopefully some of you guys want to buy some because I still need to sell a bunch of them. And yeah, I'm dying of a heat stroke right now. If you haven't already, be sure to check out the Enzo plushies. Depending on when you're watching this, they still should be available for pre-order. They are one-of-a-kind, limited edition, not one-of-a-kind. They are limited edition gecko plushies of my smiling leopard gecko Enzo, or just a Super Max Snow Leopard Gecko, which a lot of you probably like them, because who doesn't? They're super cute. So yeah, you can pre-order yours. If we don't hit 200, nobody gets them, so please pre-order one if you have considered it, because they are super cute. And I have a discount code for you guys in the description, so go use that if you want to get one for a discount. Don't forget to check me out on Patreon for behind-the-scenes photos, videos, extra content. I always respond to my messages on there, so it's a sure way to get a hold of me if you have a question about an animal or something like that. Check out my TikTok, my Facebook, and my Instagram. I am everywhere. I'm in your walls. Yeah, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!